Can we verify last digit? No, we have to calculate. Come on. 12 times of this number. 10 times plus 2 times? 10 times 5260. 2 times 1052. To this we need to add 188. Last 2 digits 52, 88. 140 plus 60. 2. Right. Now when you add all these values, that comes under 65. Right? 0, 0 gets cancelled. 650 by 5. 130. Right. When this number goes to right hand side, it becomes minus only. Ends with difference. Minus 0 in the sense this value ends with x square ends with 4. Which square ends with 4? Either 2 or 8. Answer must end with either 2 or 8 only. Next. This ends with 2 only. Which cube ends with 2? 8 cube. Correct? What is 20 cube? More than that? What is 30 cube? 27,000. Less than that. Correct? So it has to be between 20 and 30. It must be 28 only. Last digit and first digit. That's what we are concentrating, right? To that if you add 33, answer ends with 61. Third option. Right. Next. So if you observe, this is a 7 multiple, 7 multiple. Matladru. Is this 7 multiple? Yes. It's a 7 multiple. Come on. Now let's simplify the number. I don't want to use larger numbers. 7, 800 times 7, 4 times 7, 2's 14, 58, 7, 8 times and then 4 times. Correct? Minus 4% of this number goes to right hand side. Becomes positive number. Right? 4%, 1% double. 35, 70. If you add 142 to 284, it becomes 424 only. That is what percent with respect to 800. That's what our duty now. What is 50%? Still how much more you have? 24 is what percent of 800? 3%. So answer 25 plus 3. Answer. Sorry, 50 kada idi. Correct. 50 plus 3. Answer. Right. These values goes to right hand side. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, straight cancellation. Then x is equal to 48 into 2 into 4 by 320 into 3. Correct? So now 16 3 times 20 times 3 gets cancelled. 4 2 by 5. Next, under root value. What is 50 square? 2500. It is less than that and close to that. Which square ends with 9? 7 or 3? If you take 43, that is close to 40, right? Then 40 square in the sense 1600. But this is far more than 1600. So it cannot be 43. It should be 47. Subtract 47. How do you subtract? Subtract 100, add 53, no problem. Subtract 100, 8400, add 53, 89 into 3 by 10. 0.3 I am writing it as 3 by 10. Is that okay? Last digit verification. Can you do that? No. Every number is ending with 7 only. Let's do 9 3s 27. 2 carry. Correct? 8 3s 24 plus 2. 26. How many options are there? 3 options are there. 2 carry we have, right? 4 3s 12 plus 2. How many options are there? Only 1. Right. LCM 24. Yes. 8 3 times 3 into 5. 4 6 times 6 into 1. 12 2 times. So total that is 35 by 24 only. 24 ones, remainder 11 by 24. Followed? 32, direct cancellation, let's start. 32 cancellation. Once 32, 38 we have. Again, one time. And then 2 times. From 1 to if you subtract 1, how much is there? So that is root x, right? Then x is equal to 101 whole square only. How do you calculate that? 100 square plus 101 plus 100. 100 square enta? 10,000. To that you need to add 100 and 101, which is 201. Ardhamainda? X plus 1 whole square. X square plus x plus 1. Come on. Right. 5 goes to right hand side. Matladru. Already right hand side denominator 4 we have. 4 into 5. 22. How many times? 4, 0, 2, 1. By 10 in the sense point only. Next. Let's see last digit. No. We cannot verify. Yes or no? 206 times of 71. Can I take 206 as 200 plus 6 times? 200 has zeros. 2 zeros. I will write 2 zeros. 2 into 71. 142. And then 6 times of 71, right? 1 into 6. 7 into 6. How much you need to subtract? 12,080. 12,000 is subtracted from 14,000. How much is left? 2,000. Still how much you need to subtract? If 80 is subtracted from 200, how much is left? 120 plus 426. 546. Right. Rewrite it. 3 by 7 divided by 9 by 14 can be written as into 14 by 9 into 6 by 11. Okay. 7 2 times. 3 3 times. 3 2 times. 4 by 11. Under root of 2601. 50 square is 2500 and that is 50. 22 goes to right hand side. It becomes minus 22, which is 29. Root x is 29. Then x is 29 square. So first let me subtract 1 from 2. How much is that? 1 plus 3. All options are in 4s only. Minus 3 by 8 we have. Can I write 1 by 2 as 4 by 8? Minus 3 by 8 plus 4 by 8. So leftover fractions are 4 by 5 comma 1 by 8 only. LCM 5 8 times 8 into 4 32 plus 8 5 times. What is the fraction? 37 by 40. First option. Next. 14% of 905 should be subtracted from this number only. Can I also treat it as 905% of 14? 900 plus 5%? 900% in the sense 9 times only. What is 9 times? 126. Still you need to add 5%, right? What is 10%? 1.4. 5%? Point. If that goes to right hand side, it becomes 126.7 only. From 7, if you subtract 6.7, answer must end with 0.3 only. How many? Only 1. Can I rewrite it as 20735 divided by 22 into 145? Can we do that? Because there is only one digit in numerator and denominator after decimal. Right. So now, first let me cancel it with 11 2 times, 11 once, 8 times, 93 again 8 times and then 5 times. Cancellation with 5, 29 times, 5, 3 times, 7 times, again 7 times, 29, once 29, 87, 3 times, 13 by 2, 13 by 2. So can we do this in exam? Yes, continuation we can definitely do. Okay. Now, line graph carefully. Line graph depicts the percentage of profit earned by two companies PQ. Expenditure of, what do you mean by expenditure? What do you mean by expenditure? Cost price. Income minus savings kaadu. In this form, when they are talking about profit percentage, So it is question based on profit and loss. So in that case, expenditure is related to cost price, income is related to selling price, profit. Income is related to not profit, selling price only. If you sell items, that comes you as income. Your total income is not your total profit. So income is related to selling price. So now they are talking about cost price of company P is equal for every year. So every year cost price is same for P. Expenditure of, again, cost price of company Q is equal for every year. Expenditure of company Q is also equal for every year. So P cost prices are same for all the years and Q cost prices are also same for all the years. Is the data clear? Now we can start questions. If profit earned by company P in 2017, P is which color? White. 2017 white color. 15, which is 1.8 lakh. What was the profit earned by company in the year 2018? 2018, what percent is that? 25. That means 1.8 lakh is 15% only. 1% is by 15 and we want 25%, that is into 25. Is that okay? Right. 5, 3 times, 5 times, 0.6 times into 5, 3 lakhs. If the profit earned by company Q, Q is green color, in the year 2020 green color, 20%, that means 3.6 lakh is profit earned, which is 20%. Followed? What was the amount of profit earned by it in the year 2018? 2018, Amma, 15, 5, 4 times, 3 times, 4, 0.9 into 3, 2.7 lakhs. What is the average profit percentage of P overall years together? P profit percentage, white colors only, 20, 15, 25, 40, 40, 20, 60, 30, 90, 35, 1 plus 30, how many years are there? Average in the sense by 6 only, 2 times 35, 5 times 5 by 6. Followed? Which of these following statement is true with respect to the above graph? Company Q made highest profit in the year 2021. When you observe Q's profits, in which year Q made highest profit? 2021. Is this statement true? So 1 can be your answer. Come on. Can we directly answer first option as answer? No, because fifth option we have all true. That means first option is part of fifth option. So we need to verify one more thing. Company P made the least profit in the year 2020. When you observe company P, which is white color, in 2020, is its profit is least? So second statement cannot be your answer. So now can I go with fifth option as answer? If not, this first option is final answer. What is the percentage increase in profit percent of company Q in the year 2021 from the previous year? Q in 2021, what percent of profit is made? With respect to previous year, it was 20 only, right? If 20 becomes 35, increased value is 15 upon 20 percentage into 100. This is 3 by 4 only. 3 by 4 fractional value, 75%. Wrong numbers. Can you solve in question in exam? Hold. Next. Shall we start with quant or see if you have any data analysis or interpretation? Yes. 76 we have. Dinedo antaru radar graph. Can you solve? Do you want to solve radar graph or quant questions in exam? If you try this radar, it's so simple. Let's see. బొమ్మ చూడగానే భయపడతారంతే, ఏం ఉండదు, అది అర్థమైతే చాలు. Given radar graph shows that number of articles sold and unsold in the in a departmental store in the month of January. Total number of articles is number of articles sold and then articles unsold. Given data is about sold and then unsold, right? A, B, C, D, E, and everywhere we have sold and then unsold, right? Okay, sold values, white color, diamond in shape. Tell me numbers. 35, 35, 30, 15, 20. That's it. Right numbers. 35, 35, 30, 15, and then 20. See, you can also see the number also, which are highlighted there. White color. నేను రౌండ్ చేసిన దానిలోనే ఉంది చూడండి. 35, 35, 30, 15, and then 20. Numbers are also there, so you don't have to worry about it. Unsold, green color, 10, 10, 15, 25, and then 30. 10, 10, 15, 25, and then 30. మంచితనం మీద నంబర్స్ ఇవ్వటమే కానీ otherwise also we can calculate. If the scale is 0, 5, 10 and so on, every side, every line is equal to 5 only, right? So for B, let's see, observe my tick mark. First tick mark is here, one line is over and green color value is on second line only, that means 10 only, right? And then for C value, let's count. First line, second line, third line, meaning 15, 4th, 5th, 6th. 6 5 is 30. Are you following? So even though numbers are not there, we can definitely calculate. Starting with the center, every line is 5. Got it? Right. Now, if 10% of the sold articles from departmental store A is defective, then find how many non-defective articles are sold by the departmental store A. Right. So out of sold items only they are talking about. Am I right? Matladru. Right. So what percent are defective items? Then what percentage are non-defective? Should be a multiple of. Can it be first, second, third, fourth, fifth? I don't need data also. Got it? Otherwise, sold items in department store A, how many are there? All the values are in thousands only. That's what they mentioned here in the instruction part. So we have total 35,000, 10%, which is 3,500 defective. Non-defective are 31,500. If total number of articles sold in February from departmental store B is 15% more than the total number of articles sold in January, then find the total number of sold articles in February. So they are talking about February and Jan. Given data is for Jan only. So the question is based on sold items only. 35, 35. No, this is only for department B. Department B we have 35,000, correct? 3 zeros are there, I don't want to consider. But now you need to increase the value by 15%. What is 10%? 3.5. 5%, half of 1.5, half of 3.5 only? 1 point. When you add everything, that goes to 40.25 only. 40.25 thousands. That means 40,000 to 50. Average number of unsold articles from departmental store A, B, D. A, B, D. Come on. 45. Average by 3 only. 15,000. Find the total number of articles from department B, D, E together. Total number of articles. That means sold and unsold both together. Correct? That is for B, D, and E. B, how many we have? And D, E. 40, 40, 80, 50, 130 plus 5. 135,000 only. Fourth option. Find the difference between sold articles from departmental stores A, B, D. Sold items A, B, and then D. 35, 35. 70, 15, 85. Difference between this fellow and unsold articles E, B, C. Unsold B, C and E. Correct? 30, 10, 40, 40, 15. And we were asked to calculate difference between these two fellows. How much is that? 30 thousands, right? I. Sold items ABD. ABD. 70, 85. The correct. Unsold articles from BCE. BCE. Correct. Values any correct now? 35, 35, 30, 15, 20. 35, 35, 30, 15, 20. Correct. 10, 10, 15. 10, 10, 15. 25, 35. Correct. All are correct. Yes, our answer is 30,000. నన్ను అట్లా చూడకండి, నేను కరెక్టే చెప్పా, వాళ్ళే తప్పించారు.